growling? Why are you being bitchy? Why are you being bitchy? I'm not gonna touch you. You're just gonna sit here and freak out. What are you doing? You gonna bark from over there? You just gonna headbutt me until I pet you? You're crazy. You are such a needy dog. You're so needy. Now you're gonna be bitchy to Dad because he won't pet you? Daddy, pet me. Daddy, pet me. Stella, what are you doing? Oh, you want the lovin's. You just want the lovin's.